Christian's making chicken nuggets. His own recipe. Christian cooking. Are they going to turn out?
Hopefully good.
Hopefully good. Look at those cook. They look really good. No store-bought frozen chicken McNuggets for Christian. Those look awesome, Chris. He's cooked them. There's another plate with more to go, and there's everything he used to cook with. Creating in the kitchen with his Mimi. Actually, he's creating in the kitchen by himself. Looking good, boy. What do you think, Chris?
They will be good.
Pretty good. They've been cooking one minute and 9 seconds.
They have?
Alrighty.